Hello and welcome back to my channel. This is Sahil welcoming you all once again. So today we are going to learn and we are going to understand Bollinger Band. Let's learn some trading. Let's learn how to make money. So Bollinger Band, let's not waste our time. Let's get to Bollinger Band. Okay, if you go to indicators, if you're using TradingView, then over here is indicator. You just write down Bollinger Band, which I've already in my favorites. Like if you see this, it's already there. So if you just write it down over here, Bollinger Band, you'll get it on the top. Okay, by the way, Bollinger Band was founded by John Bollinger. And yeah, let's check the settings first. By the way, this is BTC and daily time frame. Okay. 20 is the moving average. That's the simple moving average. You can see the SMA is simple moving average. So 20 will be in the middle of the Bollinger Band. By the way, let me first explain you what exactly Bollinger Band means. Bollinger Band is like a band. It's like, if you know the rubber bands, it's like a rubber, stretchable. So it's a band, it stretches. What stretches, and the mid of this band is always 20 by default. You can change it according to you, but 20 is good enough. Though I use 21, but still that's not a big difference. 20 moving average. This is standard deviation. Standard deviation means, so 20, it goes 2 points above or 2 points below, plus or minus. So say about if this is 2 point, that means say about 95% approximately, it will go, it will stay inside the band. 95% of the time, it stays inside. So if you make it 1 standard deviation, that is 1, it means it will be approximately 68%, like standard deviation. And 68%, that means the price movement, the candles, it will stay inside the band 68% of the times. And if you make it 3, the deviation, that is around 99.7%. Yep, 99.7% of the times it will stay inside the band. So 2, let it stay 2 because that's the standard deviation, and that's by default for a reason. Okay, so we stick to the settings as it is. You can change the colors if you want. Like this is the middle one is I would like it red. This one you can make it blue, whatever color you feel like. For me, according to the background is black, that's the reason. Okay, this one, the shady, okay, make it green a little bit, so you can see the bands away like this. But even if it's not there, it's still fine, you can still see it. Okay, and by the way, never use Bollinger Band by itself or any of the indicator by itself. Try to combine it with other indicators. That will give you a good kind of confluence and more of the confirmations as well. Try to get confirmation from at least to 4 or 5 of the indicators, and the 4 or 5 indicators would be your best 4 or 5 indicators. It doesn't matter whatever indicators you're using, whatever strategy you're using, but the more confirmation, the more exact you are on the market. You can use it in the lower time frames as well. You can use it for intraday. Let's go to the smaller time frame. So the intraday, guys, you can check it out yourself. Okay, so here you are. This one goes down. Once it goes down, it will always come back and test the mid of the Bollinger Band, which is 20 moving average. So it went down and it crosses below, because this works as a support and this works as a resistance. You see this is resistance. It just pushes down because it has been stretched too much. Once it is being stretched a lot, so it's going to come back to its place. So the same way the bands are, the rubber bands, you use it, you stretch it, it comes back to its place back again. So this got stretched, but then it has to come back again. It tested this moving average. You see the 20 moving average. Whenever it goes up, it comes back, test it again. But when it's going to come back? From where? That's, you have to use it combined with other indicator as well. See about, you can use a MACD, you can use the RSI. RSI works amazingly as well. Even the MACD as well. So let me show you with RSI. Okay, so RSI, let me check the settings first. I can remove this one. We don't need it. And this is supposed to be 14. Yep. Okay, so what we can see in the RSI and Bollinger Band, in the RSI and Bollinger Band, we can clearly see that the market is oversold. The market is oversold in Bollinger Band. It then took the support, it got stretched, and it just went deep in. And even in RSI, it shows it just goes deep in. The RSI is where? It's below 20, not even 30, because RSI is, once it goes below 30, it's oversold. Once it goes above 70, it's overbought. That's simple. So over here, it just didn't go below 30, it go below 20. You can see this. See on this side. Yeah, 19.5. That's below 20. That means it's completely oversold. Whenever there is oversold, what do you understand? Buy. It's a clear sign, and not only from RSI, Bollinger Band as well, it's giving a clear sign that buy it and the market is going to boom it. So, and say about like where you're supposed to take the trade. The trade, not over here of course, because you're still not sure where it's going to go. But still, if you're very aggressive and you're like aggressive, like, okay, I am sure, and you got few more confirmation as well, because you can see over here, there is a liquidity zone as well over here. So yes, the liquidity got filled. That means, yes, you got one more confirmation. That's 3 confirmation: RSI, Bollinger Band, liquidity zone. And even if you are checking with the Fibonacci from the maybe 15 or 30 minutes, you'll be like, boom, this trade is awesome. Let's check if you wanted to take a trade, how would you trade this? I won't recommend taking the trade right on this candle because that would be very aggressive. Yes, and we already got the confirmation. We got the aggressive confirmation as well. The liquidity is there. We got a liquidity over here. So that was a confirmation. If I was there, I would actually take it. But then, like, yeah, just to be on the safer side, to be on the not that aggressive, I would recommend for people to take it on this candle, this one. Not this, but this candle. This candle, as soon as it opens, you can take it from here, and your stop loss supposed to be somewhere just below the previous candle. Okay, and how much your profit target should be? Your profit target should be trailing profit. Like, you keep moving your stop loss. See about your stop loss, you put your stop loss over here, but as soon as this candle completes, you take your stop loss, you move it just come on, man. So, sometimes happens. Okay, so you put your stop loss over here, and then once this candle goes above, you again push your stop loss over here. In this way, you keep your stop loss moving up, and this is called trailing stop loss. By the way, if this was supposed to happen, this would be like somewhere like what, 3:3, man. Like, the reward is amazing. The ratio, look at the reward ratio, it's amazing. So yes, and that would be like intraday. Yeah, so let's check in a little higher time frame in 15 minutes, like if we still get any confirmation, like any of the confirmation. So far we got 3 confirmations, right? We got the Bollinger Band, we got the RSI, we got the liquidity zone as well. So let's check the 15 minutes if there is anything hiding, and we can make this trade like boom. Okay, so in 15 minutes, so let me first mark it so it's easier for you guys to understand what exactly we are watching. So let's mark this one. Okay, and let's go to 15 minutes. See this? This is the same candle over here. Now, what we can see in RSI. RSI is amazing, guys. If you guys can learn RSI, that would be amazing. My RSI video was pathetic. I'm going to make it a better one because that was my first video. So I really want to share the knowledge and the experience what I got. So we'll make it, and I'll tell you. So look at this one, RSI for now. You see this, the market is moving down, right? And you see this, the market is moving up. This is called divergence, right? And still, if you are confused, you can just zoom this, double click it, zoom it, and you can see it yourself here. This is, the market is moving up, and the market is over here. See this one? This is going down. The price is going down, the chart, but the RSI is showing us it's going up. So this is the 4th confirmation that we understand. The market is giving a sign that the market is going to go up. laugh, and boom, just take the trade, close your eyes, keep moving. I mean, like, don't close it, but then yeah, always make sure you have your stop loss there. Stop loss is for a reason, guys. I have made this mistake in my past a lot of times when I was like very aggressive, and it was more like a gambling. So make sure your stop loss is there no matter what. It's going to protect your portfolio. So yep, that's all for the Bollinger Band, and we'll make the next video next time. For now, please like and please subscribe. I would really appreciate if you can spam my comment box. I would appreciate that. Thank you guys, and see you. Goodbye.